So hey guys, welcome to another stream and day 5 for learning GoLang from the basics. So this is our day 5 after a long break or maybe 4 to 5 days, just I was went out, and so that's a little too long break. So we are finally back, just wrapping up the things. And yeah, this is our day 5. So let's get straight into the session, that learning curve. So in the previous session, we have completed our arrays. If you guys have missed that, just check the description, or you can just explore my channel to learn Golang daily. After just spending 30 minutes with me or without me, you can just have your casual anything like that. So could just let me check if yep, great. This I need to check that my audio is correct or not. Golang daily after just spending 30 minutes. Oh yeah, perfect. I can see. Okay, great. Let's start with the slides. Like in the previous session, we completed arrays. So today we are just learning about. Okay, we have this. Just close this. Let's put this aside and just open our slices, right? And one more thing is open our cursor. Great. So let's create another folder for. Let's close this thing up. mkdir, it's our day 5. So day 5 and change directory to day 5. Right, then let's initialize that go mod init, and here let's provide github.com slash, and then create an main.go file. Let's close this one. And yeah, so okay, the major issue in arrays was that we have to predefine the size of our array. Like what will be the size of our array, like fix the size sequence of same types elements, right? This was the array. In the previous lecture we have discussed, right? Just give me a second. I can see the stream quality. Is that on max or not? Okay, I guess it's on max. Yep, perfect. Okay, right, now let's talk about slices. So in this lecture we will be talking about slices. Now in slices, let's just start with our most important thing, that's uh, import fmt, then func main function. Okay, wait, one more thing is fmt.print ln, and inside ln we have to namaste. Yeah, that's beautiful, right? Now let's go run main.go. Now it gave us namaste dunya. That's what we expected it to return us. Now let's talk about this. So slices are dynamic arrays built on top of arrays. So internally it will be using array only, right? So reference types with length and capacity, created with make or slices literals. We will talk about slices literals later. Supported append. And one more thing is, yep, let's switch it to ask. Yep, and move ChatGPT to let's talk about let's do complexity. We don't need to do perplexity, we got it here. Which model which AI model, LLM model is perfect for asking questions? Let's see what it returns us. By the way, I heard about something that, like, let's check this. Go what's that? Go AI wrapper or something, integration wrapper. integration wrapper or what, something like this. These wrapper AI tools, go official library for OpenAI API. Yep. This was let's I guess my internet is a little slow. No problem. So this is let me check the yep. They OpenAI open their package for using official Go. When this was created, last comment was 3 days ago. So yep, Go official Go library for OpenAI. Great. So it says GPT-5 for GPT stands as one of the most, and we can access in logical reasoning. Yeah, not specialized question or answering real-time web access. So let's start with GPT-4 only. That's and let's give it a access of browser also. So can you tell me about slices in Go? Slices Go is yep. We are here for implementation part only. So how to implement it is here. It's create slice using integer. So we are not supposed why it's 5 and length 5 and capacity 5. Why is that? Isn't it we are supposed to just add dynamic. Okay, so it's by slicing an array. Nope. And I don't want this thing. Okay, built-in functions. Nope. Slicing slices. Nope. I want how to declare. Oh, here we are. Just check it back to the dynamic arrays built on top of references. More flexible than array. Okay, let's check this out. Door of Go. Great. Yep, creating a slice. Make function. We have used this make function. Create. Length will be of 5 only. Great. Now, to specify a capacity, pass a third argument to make. Suppose now we have this p. Let's check this out here. Let's run this. Waiting for remote server. We don't need that. Let's A, then print slice. Perfect. B, make print slice. Then we have C, print slice. Print slice function just runs, and I guess we are missing. What's the use of this gap? Oh, capacity, right? Oh, what a big blunder. No. How? What is the difference between slices and array? Major differences: slices are built on arrays. Slices and arrays are related but distinct data structure. Okay, they are different data structures. Fixed size, value type. Arrays are value types, meaning that they can you can assign one array to another. Meaning that when you assign, okay, my mistake. When you assign one array to another, a copy of entire array is made, right? Size and type, the size of the array is a part of its type. So for example, 5int and 10int are different types. Okay. Dynamic size, slices of an integers. Okay, can we just have it how can I make okay, reference types. Slices are reference types. Okay, and reference here, do we have any reference? No, we don't have. We can see any reference types already. Assigning a slice to another slice means both slices reference to the same underlying array. Okay. Not a part of type. Capacity of or length is not a part of slice type, making them more versatile for functions that operates on arrays of different sizes. Okay. Mutability, you can change the size of slice but not an array. Okay. Memory uses, slices can save memory by allowing multiple slices to refer the same underlying array. Okay. Built-in functions uses use cases, right? Perfect. Great. So let's how to declare a slice. Here also, let's just take this make versus new functions and go. Yeah. Okay, we got to here. Make, you can how can I make, how can I empty declare size of integers? Okay, declares an empty slice of integers. Okay, so let's, if we do this, just simply do this. Now we try to fmg.print. I will do this. Let's see what it does. I don't know. Oh, it returned us empty. Great. Now if we do this, how to push and push, I don't know how to push that. If I items in this slice with this initialization. Okay, append method is being used. Okay, great. Now, alternative of initialization method, initial with different values. Great. Initialize with length for all zeros. Okay. Make use, you can create a slice using make function, which allows you to specify its length and capacity. Okay, if I provide it three, in just two factor, it will give, first will be a length, and I guess capacity is just maximum size it can hold, right? So if I do this, if I throw, we are getting this 1 2 3 4. Great. Now if we initialize this using make function, now let's comment this out, both things. Let's initialize this using this. Now if it's true, same, we got the same. Okay, we got all zeros, right? So let's do. So the current length of the slice is empty, length is 0. Now if we try to add one more 0 here, will we be able to expect 2 or 3, right? Yeah, we cannot assign everything with zeros. How to make this? Okay, just can we do this? I'll add all zeros in it, only. See how it is. Guess we are okay. Okay. By default only it will be of zeros. Great. Now if I try to, how do we have, if I try to add this, we will be able to, let's see how to just add this. Okay, no problem. If we are unable to add this, can we add it here? No, let's ask to fix this. Let's see how to fix this thing. Oh, we cannot initialize using make function. Great. Now let's talk about the new function and make. Nitish. Okay, I guess my internet is too slow. Just get me. So yeah, I'm back. What is wait? I'm not studying about loop. I'm here to study about make and new function. Let's ask here, what is the difference between new and make? In Go, new make are used. Okay, wait, no brother, no. Yep. are used for different purposes. Here's how. New purpose, the new function is used to allocate memory for a variable and returns a pointer to it. Great. Memory allocated is 0. Can be used with any data type. Okay. Make function is used specify. Okay. New can be used for any data types and it returns allocates memory for a variable and returns a pointer to it. That's all. It is typically used for creating pointers to types, right? And make function is used for slices, arrays, and channels. Okay, maps and channels. I don't know what is channels till now, so no problem. Make purpose is used for creating slices, maps, and channels. Create each underlying data structure as well as allocates memory. Okay, it also allocates a memory. Then we have slices arrays correctly. How do you know what is that? How to slice arrays correctly? Okay, suppose we have this fruits array and we make this length and capacity. Great. Okay, lab XVM. This will be instant. Okay, no problem. I create an X. Okay, so this will be an existing from. Okay, that's all. I guess we have done this also, so we can just do this. Let's go to string. So this was a part from strings, like slices, common strings. Let's talk about strings. So immutable sequence of bytes. Bytes represent UTF-8. What is UTF-8? You have Unicode transformation format 8-bit. Okay, it's the most common character encoding on W3 used to represent any character from Unicode standard. Okay. It is a variable width encoding, meaning uses a single byte from ASCII characters like English letters. Okay, great. So immutable sequence of bytes representing UTF-8 encoded text string operations create new strings rather than modifying existing ones. Iterate by indexing or runes. But I don't know how to pronounce this. Runes or runs. Wait, let's check this. Okay, can it speak this? Let's see if it's able to read this or not. Let's convert between strings and bytes slices. Understanding strings helps with text manipulation performance. Okay. Runes. Okay, runes. I don't know. Just leave that. Okay, let's go to runes and characters go. Okay, the previous blog post, I don't know what was that. Just skip this. We are here for go speculations. Oh, brother. Can we find strings here? If we are able, string types. Yep, we have this string types. String types represent a set of strings values. A string value is possibly empty sequence of bytes. Perfect. The number of bytes is called the length of the string. Right? Length of the string. Okay. Slide steps. Okay, just leave that. GoLang, quick reference, string introduction. GoLang, quick reference, strings. Okay, strings is essential data types in programming. Provides robust support for string manipulation. String literals and raw string. In Go, strings are sequence of bytes representing characters. Let's start by understanding the different ways to declare and initialize strings using string literals and raw string literals. Okay, so we have this string literals, and one more thing was strings and string literals and raw string literals. Okay, just let's, I'm getting a little confused. It's a string literals and raw string literals. Great. Okay, brother. String literals are enclosed in double quotes, okay, and allow you to use escape sequence like for new line or tab. Okay, by tab it's for space. Like when you click a space bar once, it gives you a particular space, right? So 4 times clicking that space bar is equals to 1 tab. I mean, it can differ to 4 tabs or 4 space bars or 2 space. Encode above message as a string literal perfect raw string because I guess it's used by this. How to, okay, I need to use perplexity for this. How to this character on my keyboard. Let's see, because right now if I try to here and see after that escape button on my keyboard, when I click this, I'm getting this, an logo. So backtick on a keyboard, ABC in layout has been replaced with the rupee yeah perfect, which is frustrating for programmers who need this. So option 1, use keyboard shortcuts. Option plus key. Okay, if I try option, oh, perfect. Switch to USK. Okay, how to switch to keyboard, how to switch to keyboard and yeah. Okay, let's leave this thing. Right, perfect. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, we were reading this article, right? Then we have raw string concatenation and conversion. Suppose now let's explore how to concatenate strings, performs strings. Like so strings. So string concatenation in Go is simple. You can use the plus operator. Okay, so just declare a string. So we can declare a string using again, just simply as var as equals to, if we do learn try to, why I'm getting this thing, and just simply do this. That's right. See, yep, we get that. Oh, why we are getting this. Let's comment this out. No, if we try to do this, just replace this with, a raw string literal. Wait, it's option with this. Now if we try to get this thing, hello, perfect. Now you can see an extra space, extra line here. Then we have string conversions. Okay, to convert other data types to a string, you can use fmd dot scan printf. I guess as printf is scan printf function to type conversion. Okay, so suppose we have, okay, we need to use it strconf. No, I guess we can. FMT also provides this scan printf function. Yep. Oh, sir. Yep, it's here only. fmd.printf function. Okay. Just get a little bit. So what it says. So if okay, let's ask ChatGPT what is the use of sprintf. Yep, it's that only. Let's see what it says. It says, come on, brother, why are you taking so long? I guess my mic is clear. If okay, come on, it's not that big question, ChatGPT. Still not responding. Maybe an internet issue, I don't know. But here I got the answer. Then Go function reads the formatted input formats. Okay, scanning text and storing space separated values into variables according to the format string. Okay, means scan printf is used to take input from your keyboard using terminal. I guess I'm guessing this thing. How it works, like the function scans input text from the standard input, reads the data and stores successive spaces separated values into variables as determined by format specifier. Okay, the basics. Okay, so how to use this? Suppose I have this. Okay, how I can take this? So here it says okay. Let's comment this out. Leave this. Now if I do this, suppose I declare a variable var a int, right? And okay, let's give it a space name and give it as a var age int. No, it's not int, it's string. And now if I do this, if in case we can, empty dot scan as printf, right here, as printf. Now if I try this enter name, and here if I do this %c or %t, I don't know. Oh wait, here let's just I cannot just remember everything. Enter age, and for int I'm sure it's t. Okay, what it says spin does not have a side effects and it returns. Okay, yeah, can just fix this, brother. I don't know whether it can fix this or not, but yep. Can we find it in the yep. I guess we can't find this. Okay, no problem. Here we have this s is used for string. Now if we just print fmd dot print f, and f, here we do hello simply, then we have this person d as for name, your age, and percent d, and we really need to pass this variables. Let's see if it works or not. It's not d, it's t, and oh yes, yep. Let's see how it works. It says can you spot the issues here? Because by the way, here we are using Claude, I guess. I remember that we are using Claude Sonnet 4.5. Let's see how it takes. Yep, so this was the issue, missing address operator. What in case I want to just in case I want to take input using and take input in the same line in the printf. Let's see if we are able to just get it done. Okay, no problem. We can just this is done. Let's go to maps, or we can just I guess we are done with 30 minutes, so no problem. So it says yep, to bring this. No, we can't have that. Okay, so okay, we have to use this percent. Oh, not percent, what's and yep, we were lagging with this only, and yep, we are not good with this also. And it's scanf only. Okay, just give me a second for S here. It's okay. Let's just grab this thing. I'm getting this issue. Okay, no problem. Let's run this. Go run main.go. Come. Oh, I forgot to add my name. My name is Saurav. Well, not Saurav. It's GoLang, and my age is, let's give 19. I'm too old for this generation. So this was all. I guess we are done with. We are just too slow in this process, but yeah, we have code optimization, error handling, then building CLI. That's the most beautiful thing about Go. That because of building Go, for building CLI tools only, I started learning Go. you know Now I guess we must visit the following roadmaps to keep learning. So yep, after this we will be learning about backend, then DevOps, then Docker and Kubernetes. Yep, I'm super interested in these two things, CLI and our backend. Advanced topics are memory management, depth, escape analysis. So we have so much for this. Okay, comma. Okay, IDM. Okay, okay. Oh, I know about this. Definitely, I know about this. It's like underscore, then a value, something like this. Okay. So it's like if it returns as a value, then it's good. If it doesn't, that's fine. That's also fine. So it's like this only. So yeah, guys, that's all for today, day 5. That's all for day 5. So for day 6, we will be covering maps. I guess we are capacity and growth. We have done this in make function, so we can just also mark this as done. Make function, we are done with this, so we can just also array to slice conversion. We haven't done this, so we are done with we are pending with this array to slices and array to slices to array and array to slices. Then we will go upon maps. Then we are okay IDM, comma okay IDM. That's great. Then we will be learning about structs. That's a best just basics of Go. So once that done, we are good. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this session. If not, then just provide me your feedback, and from the next time, we'll just focus on these. That's all, guys.